You're in the process of looking for a new heating or air conditioning system for your home, and you're asking yourself what this box or what size box do I need outside my house or in a home. The number one way to find out is to do an engineering calculation which shows you the actual load of your home, not your neighbor's home, not the guy up the street, what you actually require for your own home. If you click on the welcome button above, we have that information for you with line-by-line instructions. Very simple to do, and it gives you a great insight as to what you might need. If you have any troubles, give us a call. We'd be glad to help.